Greetings, friends. This is Mary Griesbach with Property Executives Realty, and I am out with my friend Gary. We're harvesting wild rice. And I believe I have known Gary longer than I've been harvesting wild rice, but both of those numbers are double-digit figures. Gary, tell me about how long have you been harvesting wild rice?
Well, let's see, it's 2023. Yesterday, talking to the person I was ricing with, I started thinking about it when he asked, and I think it goes back to 1980.
Nice.
It was the first year I went ricing.
And what do you like
with
best?
my good friend John. The best thing about this is just being out in the outdoors on a beautiful day, harvesting something you can eat that is really delicious, and it's really, really good for you.
I don't know that I could say it better myself. So stay tuned, folks. Like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to have more wild ricing videos for you.
And when the
later
rice
this
is
week.
falling this good, it's even better.
On that note, this has been Mary Griesbach with Property Executives Realty, coming from you from a secret spot in northwestern Wisconsin.